For this next game, I need all everybody, right? Clear insults, yeah. I need clear insults. And Kyle and Liz are going to go head out in the hallway. Okay.
No one.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, dude. All right. Yeah, that works. Come on up here. Fantastic. All right. So this is everyone and Taylor. Get you guys involved. Everyone say hi to Taylor. Okay. This game we're gonna play is called Playground Insults. So the way this game works is that Kyle and Liz are gonna come in, trash talking each other like they don't have proper parenting. But basically, we're gonna be calling each other three parts this, if you will. And it's going to be a adjective, a gerund, ing, and a noun. And you guys are going to provide those, what amounts to 6 words. So first, I need a adjective for this group. Slick. 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 I need an adjective for this group.
Bubbly.
Yellow.
Let's go with lumpy. Alright, lumpy. Alright, I need a gerund, an ing word.
Baking. Baking.
Husking.
Reaping.
Housing. Housing. Yeah, too late. Alright. I need a gerund for these guys.
Pimping.
Selling. 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 Alright, I need a noun. Let's go with an easy one.
Unit. Unit.
What? What? Let's go with fortune teller. Or just fortune teller, yeah. And I need a noun for these people.
Christmas tree.
Wall. So it's for you.
Slick housing. Fortune teller.
Slick housing, fortune teller.
Lumpy selling